Colorado Avalanche versus Chicago Blackhawks.
Sharp gets the line, looking to pick up speed, but lost it in all the white sweaters. And here's Keith. Kane into the zone. His backhand pass picked out of the air by Taves. Couldn't settle it completely. Dropped it to Seabrook along glass, and Varlamov saw it all the way. We told you earlier what happened. It's Miller time right now, brought to you by Miller Lite.
Well, power play goals in this period. The last one for the Avalanche. Beautiful pass there from Erik Johnson to Tyson Barrie, and the Hawks a step slow on their rotation while shorthanded. And the Avs with a 3-2 lead late in the third.
This game the first time in the last 5 starts that Corey Crawford's given up more than 2. Here's Leddy. Side. Leddy lets it go. Varlamov the save and lunges to...
Oh, bullshit. Shouldn't have gotten in the puck.
And some net presence from Roosevelt that draws the attention of Talbot. Oh, and Andy McElvin took one right in the chops. I think he just trying to read his lips. I think he said, this guy's gone.
Oh, Michael Roosevelt came in.
Oh, you're out of here, Colorado. And nobody messes with Chicago people here.
Roosevelt gave a shot to one of the Avalanche players after the whistle had blown. And
yeah, he's out of here, I presume.
Well, there's the shot. There's Roosevelt. Now, the whistle's going to go. A little bit of a cross-check on Talbot. A little bit of a push. Mitchell's in there. And then Talbot just starts whacking and punching. And there you see him knock down Andy McElvin.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
It was his hand.
Wait a minute. It was hot. Oh, shit.
One of those combinations. And,
damn, I think they're both out of this game today. Crap.
Outside. Looking for a little help. Could not get it to the middle. It's a loose puck, and Landeskog's going to get to the net. Gabriel Landeskog is in to the backhand. Goal post. He beat Crawford, but drew iron. Rebound held in by the Avs. Now taken by Shaw. Andrew Shaw ahead to Chris Versteeg. Cleared it ahead. Shaw with a shot from that angle and blocked. And now the battle on the boards. Oduya's long one never got through. Taken by Barrie, who's got the lead goal, and he scored the winning goal in a Colorado victory in overtime. Here's a long shot and a blocker save by Crawford. Rebound to Barrie. Now Hjalmarsson working in behind. Duchesne battling there with him. It came free to Kane. Patrick Kane scooped it across the ice. Oduya back to Kane down low. Kane walking from the second time. That's blocked by the defender. And the Avs get it out. Now a good pass from Roosevelt to Taves. He put it in front. Bickle and a save.
Oh, crap. Didn't even go in.
But the whistle had gone. And no further play.